everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Belinda. Beauties, today I'm going to be creating this farmhouse Christmas centerpiece and table decor. So if you want to see how I do this, then please keep watching. But before that we get started, I'm just going to ask if you can please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also you'll click that bell icon so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. Okay, beauties, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let me start by showing you the items that I'll be using. I'm going to be using this green Christmas tree from the Dollar Tree. And I'll also be using this box that I DIY'd a while back. I'll go ahead and link that video up above if you're interested as to how I created this faux wood box. And I'll also be using this candle stand that I also created, and this is also in the same video where I did the box, so it'll show you there how I did this candle stand. I'll also be using this LED candle, and this is from Dollar Tree, and what I did is I had already DIY'd it. I had put some garland and some berries, and I don't have the video for that, but that's basically all I did. I'll also be using this round foam, and they have these at Dollar Tree and they come in a pack of 2. I'll also be using this galvanized flower pot, and I purchased this at Dollar Tree sometime in the spring. Right now, Dollar Tree has some that have Christmas decor on them. They're not the galvanized, they are, I believe, in the red color, but you can use those as well if you decide to do this project. And also some red berries, some red ornaments, and also some small silver ones from the Dollar Tree. Some pine cones, and I purchased these at Family Dollar. Some white Christmas decorative mesh, some Dollar Tree green garland. This is actually a Dollar Tree wreath, and what I did is I pinched the sides together to create almost something like a swag. Now I'm going to be using 2 of these. This I used last year in a previous DIY that I did, so I'm just going to reuse these 2. I'll also be using 4 of these white placemats, and these I purchased at Dollar Tree. And also 4 plate chargers, and these are also from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add this round foam into my galvanized flower pot, and I'm just going to press it down just like that. After that, I press it down a few times, it falls in there just right, and then it fits in there nice and tight. Next, I'm just going to insert my Christmas tree down the center, and I'm not going to put the little stand that it comes with. I'm just going to press it into the foam and it'll fit right in there. Next, I'm going to take the white mesh and I'm just going to stuff it underneath the Christmas tree, making it look like it has some snow. That's the effect that I wanted to get. And I'm just going to continue to go around the tree and then just pressing it down. And I didn't have to put any hot glue or anything because the mesh kind of sticks together. Next, I start to fluff out my tree, and I'm just pulling down the little branches and just fluffing it out as much as I can because, as you can see, it is a very skinny little tree. But that's okay, we're going to fix that in just a little bit. Okay, next we're going to spruce up this little skinny tree, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut strips of that Dollar Tree garland, and then I'm just going to wrap it inside and just make it look more fuller. So what I did is I cut several strips of the garland. I find that it's easier to work with little sections at a time and pieces at a time. Okay, next I'm going to start decorating the tree, and I'm going to be adding some pine cones and also some of the berries and some of the silver Christmas ornaments. And I'm just going to continue going around the tree and adding all those different ornaments. And this is how the tree turned out once I decorated it. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is fill up my box, and I'm going to be using the greenery. I'll be using 2 of the Christmas wreaths that I pinched together, and I'll also be using some of the Dollar Tree garland. And so what I'm doing here is just laying this green swag along the side of the inner part of both sides of the box. And then once I'm happy in how they're positioned, I'm going to start fluffing them out and also just pulling down the branches over the box. Then next, I'm going to set the Christmas tree in the center of the box. Next, I'm going to be taking pieces of this garland and just placing it down at the bottom of the box just to fill it out. Next, I'm going to place the candle stand to one side of the box. Next, I'll be adding some pine cones to the base of the box, and also some red ornaments and also the red berries. And then lastly, I'll be placing the LED candle on the candle stand. And next, for just purely decorative purposes, I'm gonna take this white mesh and I'm just gonna twist it and kind of make it seem like it's a napkin, but it's not gonna be a napkin, obviously. I've cut out a small piece of that garland, and now I'm gonna wrap it down the center of the mesh, making it seem like a napkin ring holder. And then I'm going to take a berry and just stick it down the center, and there you go. I'll be making 3 more of these. Okay, so this is my farmhouse table, and now it's time to put all the decorations together. Okay, so I'm going to start by placing the centerpiece in the center of the table. Then I'm going to start by adding all the placemats. Then I start adding the chargers with the make-believe napkins. Like I said earlier, this is only for decorative purposes. And this is how it turned out. I've had this farmhouse table for about a year, but I didn't have those chairs, and I just recently ordered them from Amazon, and I absolutely love them because they go so well with my table. If you like them and you're interested in them, I'll go ahead and link the link down below so that you can check them out. Well, beauties, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day, and remember, love, laugh, and create. Until next time, bye-bye and God bless.